how to get ready and use your time for the 5 months before the Prelims 24. How to make notes, what amount of current affairs to prepare and cover. Is it 2-year Prelims test series or Prelims program? Get ready with our workshop 25th of November at 12 o'clock. Hi all of you, an alert, a request to all that please don't join Prelims test series or Prelims program for UPSC 24 until you have first seen our workshop. We have a workshop on 25th of November at 12 o'clock. In this workshop, we will discuss how to get ready and use your time for the 5 months before the Prelims 24. There are issues related to what to revise, how to make notes, what amount of current affairs to prepare and cover. Is it 2 years preparation or 1 year preparation? And importantly, what type of strategy for the test taking when you are sitting in the examination hall. All of this is part of a workshop which I hope will benefit you. And this workshop will be followed by an All India UPSC practice mock test. We'll have this mock test for 26, 27 and 28. It'll give you a good idea about your readiness and what actually you must focus on before you give the examination 24. It's a very nice time starting from now onwards. And you must target to qualify the Prelims examination. Don't give the examination purely for giving an experience for yourself. Get ready with our workshop 25th of November at 12 o'clock.